Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to set availability status on Google Chat. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to set the availability status on Google Chat. Maybe you want to keep your privacy by hiding your availability status, or maybe you want to set it as so that people could get to know if you're available or not. Or it could be any other reason for you to set your availability status on Google Chat. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Google Chat, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in on this device. After that, just simply tap on its icon to open the Google Chat. Once you open it, you will see its interface. This is how the Google Chat app looks. We have options almost everywhere on the screen, at the top, at the bottom. So from all these options, what we have to do here is that we have to click on these three lines, which is on the top left side of the screen. These three lines, you just have to simply tap on it and few options will pop up, and from these options we will see how we can set the availability status. Here you can see we have 3 to 4 options, and also at the top you can see the title of the app. And here we have this first option which says active. This is the availability status. Right now it is set as active, therefore active is written here. But if you change it, whatever you change it, it will appear here. So to change it, what you have to do is that you just have to simply click on the arrow which is alongside active, this one. Once you click on it, you can see three options will pop up. So as you can see, whatever your availability status is, you can select it. Like if you're available, then you can set the available, and if you're away, then you can select the away. And if you want to select any one of these options, you can select it. You just have to simply tap on it, and after that, that option will appear on your availability status, and people will message you by saying that if you're available or not. So if you select the automatic, then it will automatically detect that what you are doing. If you're online, it will show online, otherwise it will show offline. And if you select the second option, do not disturb, with the help of that, nobody will be able to message you. In fact, they will message you, but you will not get to know if they have messaged you. And if you select the last option, that means you're away from the app, you're offline, you're on break. So you can choose any one of these options. You just have to simply tap on that option and it will be selected. Here you can see when we clicked on do not disturb, this appeared. That means we have to select the time for like how long we want the status to appear on our profile. So you can choose any one of these options. You can also go for the custom one. You just have to simply click on done, and the status will appear on your profile like that. You can change it anytime. You just have to simply tap on any status and it will appear on your profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can set your availability status on Google Chat. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.